To use Expedia points at checkout, start by signing in to your Expedia account on the website or mobile app. This will ensure that your points balance is available for use. If you do not have an account, create one to begin earning and redeeming points. Once you are signed in, begin searching for your travel plans, including flights, hotels, or package deals. As you search, be sure to check that the option to use Expedia points is available for your selected travel dates and options. When you have found your desired travel plans, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see a section that displays your available Expedia points balance. Below this, there will be an option to apply your points to the current booking. To apply your points, simply click the Apply button and select the number of points you wish to use. You can use as many or as few points as you like, up to the maximum amount available for your booking. Keep in mind that you can use Expedia points to cover up to a certain percentage of your booking, but you will need to pay for any remaining balance with a credit or debit card. As you apply your points, you will see the discount reflected in your total booking cost. Be sure to review your booking details carefully to ensure that everything is correct before completing your purchase. It is also important to note that Expedia points can be used in combination with other discounts or promotions, but this may not always be the case. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of your booking and any applicable promotions to understand how your points can be used. By following these steps, you can easily use your Expedia points at checkout to save money on your travel plans. Remember to always review your booking details carefully and understand the terms and conditions of your points redemption to get the most value from your Expedia account.